Hello world. Today is January 13, 2023, and I got this request from this guy, Ronak9303. Can you make some tutorial and step-by-step guidelines so it can help to grow together? And it was a comment on this particular video, common geometry. Well, I'm not sure that I completely understand this request, but maybe the guy meant how to explain it. I cannot really explain it, but I can only show it, like probably he's asking this, like how do I do variations of the design. Well, when I'm doing 3D modeling, I'm trying to make as many 3D as possible, but it is very lengthy. For example, like I have many vehicles, around like 40 the concept car vehicles on Blender, and around 30 sci-fi vehicles, like boxy ones, but they don't have interior. Most of them, they're just exterior models. And well, it's not like well, how to explain it. Interior has way many much more surfaces on it, and it's difficult to model. It takes long time to model interior. Interior has many different surfaces on it, many details on it, but also usually interiors are kind of similar. For example, steering wheel, they are on most of the cars kind of similar. So I can make like central part of the steering wheel, several central part, and the actual ring, actual circle thing. I don't know how to say it correctly. Please forgive me, my English is getting worse because I'm not practicing it. I have to practice it more. And it's in Blender, it's basically in general organizational system. How do you manage your files? You can create collections and determine positions where, like for example, in a steering wheel, they're going to be like a central part, and where they are connected here, and like a central part also has to connect somewhere to that ring, to that round thing, this round thing, and most of them match except on this design. This design doesn't match, but it for sake of the many variations we can skip it. It's just like this steering wheel, this actual wheel, and this central part of the steering wheel. In this particular case, they don't match, but it's okay that they match in a different style of the steering wheel. and that's how I get many variations of the steering wheel. And if you model this way, later on you can export this already existing steering wheel to some interior of the car, another car. Just for example, let me demonstrate how to do it. Okay, where are all my vehicles? This one. Many of my vehicles, oh, this could be a good example, don't have interiors. Like, you see, it has a kind of low poly interior right now, but doesn't have any buttons, and high poly model. And in each case, like to model in each case whole interior, like with the original design steering wheel and original design seats and other stuff, it could take forever. I don't have that much time. But if I have pre-modeled like steering wheel and other parts, for example this seat, I started to model seat. It is just a one variant right now, but later I'm going to model different variants, like in the case with a steering wheel, and later I'll be able to use it and to also change the back and mix up back and the actual seat part of the design in different vehicles. But I was gonna show you how to use this pre-modeled steering wheel. So here I have collection, general collection steering wheel, and within it I have empty and collections of the steering wheel middle part, these different pieces, and collections of the actual ring. I don't know how correctly call it in English. So I have it like this right now, and in order to use it or reuse it in other cars, you just have to append this file. Here it's common geometry collection, and I'm going to take whole steering wheel collection. Okay, it's not visible right now. Here it is, right here. And I messed up somewhere, because yeah, excuse me, I accidentally appended it to this different collection within this file system, but I can easily move it somewhere here. Okay, now it's not that messy, and right now they all appear at once, and we just have to turn off the collections, extra collections. Okay, maybe like this. And actually I forgot to say here all this geometry also attached, connected to this empty, so later I can move it easily, the whole organizational system, all steering wheels, all parts and variants. So when I move it to another file with my car, I can easily move it right here, and I know that all those invisible pieces are also moving. So just like this. Oh, I see the problem now. It's way too close to the legs. I didn't see it before. I'm gonna have to fix it. And the scale a little bit small, so probably I have to increase scale a little bit. And right now, because we have all that organizational system at once in this file, we can easily change design of the steering wheel right here and get many variations. In this way, supposed to save a lot of time. I was gonna make steering wheels. Well, I have some steering wheels collections and variation, except I probably have to fix this part because it's way too close to the legs. And I was gonna make seats, many different variants of the seats, and reuse it in all my models which don't have full interior. It should save a lot of time, I hope. Well, that's basically it. I hope I understood that request correctly. Hopefully. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, you can always leave a mean comment on the comment section below. Till next time, bye bye.